So, so this is the headset mic that I bought while my parents and I were at Walgreens to take our pictures for our new passports. And then I saw this and I wanted it. So I asked my parents if we could buy it, and then they said sure, and so we bought it. And yeah. So yeah, basically while we were in Walgreens to take our pictures for our new passports, we also bought this. So yeah. And now I am right here testing this thing out. So yeah, I hope the quality sounds good. If not, then oh well. What I'm If the microphone at least works, then that'll be cool. So yeah.
Now I'm testing this out again in this website called Camcorder. It did not sound muffled on OBS yet. It sounded muffled in this website 4 months ago. Let's see if it still sounds muffled on this website today. So, yeah, that's why I'm recording this. So, yeah. Damn, I say so yeah a lot. I've been saying that. I've been saying this in my videos for like a couple years now, and even in other shit too. Anyways, um, anyways, I'm just gonna say this. On June 12th, 2023, I got a haircut, and ever since then, I started taking one selfie of myself every day to show my hair growing back. And I've been doing this for almost 4 months now. I don't know when. I'm assigning that tomorrow will be the day I get a haircut, and if that doesn't happen tomorrow, then oh well. So yeah.
Oh wow, but right when hang on a minute. Right when I unexpectedly got this that came with this that came well at least what I'm trying to say hold on, let me rephrase this again. Right when I got the other PC splitter cable that came from this new headset mic that I got, this microphone, which is a Turtle Beach headset one, worked. It actually worked. Like it surprisingly worked, and honestly, I didn't expect it to work, which honestly makes me kind of happy, even though my face doesn't look happy. But there are times where I don't make facial expressions, even when I feel those emotions. So yeah, I just want to make you be make you be aware of that. So yeah, just be aware of that.
Oh, hold on.
I don't know what the fuck to say except
August 12th, 2036. The heat death of the universe. August 12th, 2036. The heat death of the universe. August 12th, 2036. The heat death of the universe.
Hey, I don't know if you're aware of this, but I got a haircut and I'm using this headset mic on my dad's laptop just to test it out to see how this sounds on my dad's laptop without the PC splitter cable. Which, by the way, the headset mic came with the PC splitter cable. So, yeah. I don't know if you guys want to see the box for it, but hold on. Okay, so this is the box for it. And and again, it came with the PC splitter cable, which is this one. So, yeah. All right, I'm going to put this back now. So, yeah. So yeah, I want to see what. So yeah. Oh yeah, I just want to do this because I don't know why. Oh yeah, and as you can see, this is my project. This is a project I did from when I was in 12th grade. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna end this video now. So see you guys later.